If you've ever owned or driven a pickup truck, you know how important reliability is. A truck is more than just a mode of transportation. It's your workhorse, your adventure partner, and sometimes even your lifeline when you need it the most. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones will stand the test of time and keep going when others start to falter? That's exactly what we're diving into today. The 10 most reliable pickup trucks ever made. Whether it's hauling heavy loads, navigating treacherous terrain, or simply showing up for you day in and day out, these trucks have earned their spot at the top. The 2014 Honda Ridgeline stands out in a sea of full-frame trucks. Unlike its competitors, it's built with a unibody construction, which provides a smoother, more car-like ride while still offering a substantial payload capacity. Its independent suspension system makes it more comfortable on city streets and highways than traditional pickups with solid rear axles. This Honda is known for lasting well over 200,000 miles, with owners regularly reporting that it drives just as well after years of use. The standout feature? The in-bed trunk that's weatherproof and lockable, perfect for storing tools or gear while keeping them safe. Many owners, particularly those who use it for daily commuting and light hauling, swear by its reliability and low maintenance needs. The 2009 Honda Ridgeline set the stage for its successor, combining Honda's trademark reliability with the functionality of a pickup. This model introduced the innovative dual-action tailgate and the aforementioned in-bed trunk, which were game changers in terms of convenience. The all-wheel drive system made it perfect for navigating diverse terrains, and it's particularly loved for its smooth ride and versatility. Real-world examples of the 2009 Ridgeline's reliability include high-mileage stories where these trucks continue to drive smoothly beyond 250,000 miles with minimal repairs. It's not a heavy-duty truck, but for everyday tasks and light to moderate hauling, it's the ultimate workhorse. Next, we've got the Chevrolet's Silverado 2500 HD from 2009 is known for its sheer power and durability. With a choice of a 6.0-liter gas V8 or a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, the Silverado 2500 HD is built to handle heavy-duty workloads. Whether it's towing a boat, hauling construction equipment, or simply tackling tough jobs on the farm, this truck gets the job done. Many Silverado owners report using their 2500 HD models well past the 200,000-mile mark without significant engine issues. The combination of the robust Duramax diesel engine and Allison transmission creates a nearly indestructible powertrain, ideal for towing massive loads over long distances. With proper maintenance, these trucks can last well into 400,000 miles, proving they are worth the investment. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD shares much of its mechanical DNA with the Chevrolet Silverado, but it brings a little more luxury and refinement to the table. With the same powerful Duramax diesel engine and Allison transmission, it's a heavy-duty truck built to last. Sierra owners often rave about how their trucks handle extreme weather conditions, whether it's freezing temperatures or scorching heat, and continue to perform reliably. On the interior, the Sierra 2500 HD also offers a slightly more upscale feel, making long hauls a bit more comfortable. Many real-world stories highlight these trucks still hauling heavy loads or driving thousands of miles without major issues, showcasing just how well they age. The 2007 Toyota Tacoma is a standout in the mid-size truck category. Toyota's reputation for reliability shines in this truck, which is known for handling everything from off-road adventures to daily commutes without faltering. Built to withstand tough conditions, Tacomas have an unmatched reputation for longevity, often reaching 300,000 miles or more with minimal engine or transmission problems. Tacoma owners tend to keep their trucks for decades, with some claiming their 2007 models are still running strong even after all these years. Whether it's the reliable 4-liter V6 or the economical 2.7-liter i4 engine, the Tacoma remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a durable midsize truck. Its off-road capabilities and consistent performance make it a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts, and its resale value remains one of the highest in the segment. Fast forward to 2016, and Toyota introduced the next-gen Tacoma. While maintaining its off-road toughness, this model included more modern features like a more refined interior, upgraded tech, and improved fuel efficiency. The 2016 Tacoma also continues Toyota's trend of long-lasting trucks, with many owners pushing their trucks to over 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Its off-road capabilities, particularly in the TRD off-road trim, make it a great companion for tackling rough trails or muddy work sites. And with a reputation for solid build quality and strong resale value, the 2016 Tacoma is often the first choice for those seeking a reliable, versatile, mid-size truck. The 2017 Toyota Tundra is a full-size truck built with the reliability Toyota is known for. Featuring a robust 5.7-liter V8 engine, the Tundra has plenty of power for towing heavy loads while still being reliable on long trips. What makes the Tundra special is its simplicity. There's little that goes wrong with this truck over time, and it can handle just about anything you throw at it. It's a favorite among truckers who depend on their vehicles for business, with many users reporting zero major issues even after 200,000 miles. Whether you're hauling equipment or towing a trailer, the Tundra's V8 engine and solid construction ensure it won't let you down. Moving to the 2018 model, Toyota made subtle yet impactful updates to the Tundra, keeping it a strong contender in the full-size truck category. With the same 5.7-liter V8 engine, the 2018 Tundra still stands out for its reliability and durability. The updated interior features better tech, making it more comfortable and easier to use on long drives. Many owners have praised this model for its ability to tackle both tough work tasks and long-distance travel without issues. The truck's longevity is a major factor, with many Tundras running strong well past 250,000 miles, even when used for hard work and towing duties. It's a go-to truck for those who need both power and reliability. The 2020 Toyota Tundra carries forward its legacy of toughness, offering the same reliable V8 engine and sturdy construction that made it a favorite in the full-size truck market. The latest model brings upgraded safety features, better tech integration, and a more comfortable ride. Yet, what hasn't changed is its legendary durability. Stories from real owners reveal that the Tundra's engine and transmission remain bulletproof, even after 300,000 miles or more. It's a truck that keeps going, whether it's used as a daily driver, for towing, or for heavy-duty hauling. This model proves that Toyota's commitment to reliability is unwavering, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a truck that won't let them down. And at number 1, we have the Toyota Tacoma 2003 model, a true legend in the truck world. The Tacoma has earned a cult following for its incredible longevity, often running for over 300,000 miles with minimal repairs. It's the quintessential example of Toyota's engineering excellence. The 2003 Tacoma, with its simple yet effective design, continues to win hearts across the globe. Whether it's used for off-roading, commuting, or working hard on construction sites, this truck simply won't quit. Owners of the 2003 Tacoma often share stories of it running without major issues, even when subjected to harsh conditions. It's a truck that's as reliable as they come, and it has rightfully earned its place at the top of our list.